This is Pioneer's MVHS 310BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVHS 310BT is compatible with Pioneer's SmartSync app. The SmartSync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. The MVHS 310BT is designed to work with your Android phone and with your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from USB. The MVHS 310BT is a digital media receiver that does not play CDs. As you can see, this model is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash receiver that has a built-in CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Alright. First up, we have the wire harness, and we use the wire harness here to connect power, ground, and speakers, all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to the vehicle. Next up, we have some installation screws, some 1-DIN radio removal tools. Alright, now we got to open the flap here, and we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Then we have the quick start guide. There we go, there's the quick start guide. Now please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, let's get the warranty card here. Alright, there's the warranty card, and we can pull the in-dash receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the MVHS 310BT has the large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary port is right here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And of course, detachable face security. When using the Pioneer SmartSync app, the MVHS 310BT features a 31-band EQ. When using the Pioneer SmartSync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. The AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. And the one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are two sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs or front and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVHS 310BT and what's in the box.